May House by 90odesign in Bien Hoa, Vietnam. The construction site is a 5m x 19m street house in a residential area, situated right by the downtown of Bien Hoa City. This residential area was established quite a long time ago, so the residents here are beginning to renovate and rebuild their houses. May House is one of the very buildings stemming from this circumstance. The architects are eager to propose novel design approaches in which household needs, as well as airiness and natural closeness, are assured. While the two front and backyard, which are the leftovers of locally standardized urban planning, are utilized, the stairs core and auxiliary space are set neatly to one side, and the rest of the total usable space is well connected from front to back. Accompanied by the fact that every room in this house is adjacent to nature, this solution facilitates the house's natural ventilation. The frequently used space, the living room, the kitchen, the two bedrooms, and the terrace, are calculated by architects to be arranged on the lowest floor for the utmost convenience, while working space is arranged on the highest floor for the essential privacy of the customer's creative job. The terrace space at the center of the house is designed to capture the view of the sky, and a great number of green trees are also deployed within this terrace to create a tropical garden, helping customers unwind during each sunset time while being immersive into nature and the sky. The house has a split-level design to the back, although from the outside, it is just a one-story house. The height inside has been updated to a two-floor, which makes it a great combination with others. Moreover, the kitchen has been renovated not only to keep up with the demand for a large assembly, but also to help parents look after their children upstairs. A large skylight is put at the center of the house to control the airflow, extend nature light, and make a connection between family members throughout the space. Besides, the house also contains a flexible shutter system to create necessary privacy and ventilation. The front elevation uses normal hollow brick with the whole surface facing outward, which combines with the shutter to secure privacy while guaranteeing ventilation and an inside view. After considering the gentle and delicate personality of the owner, the architecture covers the house with white as the main theme, and the yellow oak wood combined with some tropical green brings freshness and grace to the owners. The furniture is designed with simplification to make more room for the space while still meeting the user's demand.